This is Kiki's Arts and Crafts, and today it's kind of like a craft, but not exactly. I'm going to be making, this is how I like to make salt and pepper tomatoes. And we have our lovely assistant over here. Okay. And he's going to be trying the cherry tomatoes we're going to be making. So we have some little toothpicks because these grape tomatoes aren't very big. And we have pepper and our salt. So, and we also have a plate. The bubbly, we actually don't need. Joey. Actually, we don't need the bubbly. So, and then we have our grape tomato. And we have our lovely but does nothing assistant or dog.
Film that. She filmed that.
Just
Okay.
Wait.
Okay, so now I'm going to take however many toothpicks I'd like. I'm going to go for 4. So I have my toothpicks out. Now we're going to open up the cherry tomato, or grape tomato, sorry. And then we're going to put as much as we can fit on each toothpick. Wait, pause. So I finished putting all the tomatoes on. Now we're going to take the salt from over here, and we're going to just sprinkle some right on over.
We need water.
Now comes the pepper. And I forgot one thing, which was water. Sorry, but you should put water on to make them sticky so it'll stay. Now, turn camera. This is our lovely plate, and he's going to be testing them out.
Let's see what they
I want a true, honest reaction.
Mmm. Delicious.
Everyone who loves tomatoes will most likely love these. And that's it for this video. I know it's been such a long time since I posted. Sorry, I just mind off. Adios!